So today I'm out by Lulech and I'm running a parallel walk to where I've been before, trying to map some Type 4 lines across. And I picked them up, both there and back. And I've long had this idea about, I wonder if the dowsing rod impacts where I find the edge of the line. So I thought once I found a nice strong female Type 4, I'd pull out 4 different dowsing rods and do a bit of an experiment and invite you to join me. Now, as you can see, I've got 4 different dowsing rods here, 3 of which are copper brass and 1 is a bent coat hanger. Now, perhaps the best thing to look at is the length, and you'll see that there's one long one and then there's very little between the others, but the shortest is this one, which is actually my favourite. So I'm going to try each one in turn and mark where I find the edge of this line. Let's go give it a shot. We'll start with the largest. And I find the edge here. So let's mark it by dropping the rod where we find the edge. Try a shorter one, this one, another brass copper one. So let's give this a shot. And it's gone here. So we mark it on the floor. Immediately notice there is a difference, quite a difference, about 1 meter or so. So now we'll try one of the other rods. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's gone here. So we mark it. You'll notice that there is a difference. We'll try this one now, my favourite, and the shortest length rod. And that's gone here. So we have 2 rods there, 1 rod there, and this rod there. So it looks like in total, between the shortest and the longest rod, there's about maybe just under 2 meters difference detecting the edge of the line. And what I can tell you is this, is that the shorter the rod, the sooner I found the line. And this I've repeated several times already. So there does seem to be a correlation, not between the type of the rod, but the length of the rod and where you pick up the edge of a line. Does anybody find the same thing? Just to reiterate, the 2 shortest pretty much at the same point and first. The next shortest, and not much longer than those 2, maybe what, 15, 20 centimeters later? And then the long one, a full 1 meter later. So what does that tell us? An interesting experiment, and I'm beginning to think that what it means is, oh, butterfly landed on my hand. Oh, Jesus, made me jump. As many of you will know, butterflies seem to be on the lines. But what I was about to say is that I think perhaps the length of the rod is what is the difference, because it takes longer and more force for a long rod to swing around than a short rod. Maybe it's as simple as that. What do you think? Why not leave me your thoughts in the comments? And please do share, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.